Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today we're going to go ahead and unbox the Realme U1. Without waiting any further, let's go ahead. So this is what the U1 box looks like. There's not a lot of details on the box, and the only thing we can make out here is that this is a 4GB RAM version with 64GB of internal storage. Let's go ahead, unbox this, see what you get in the box, and let's take our first look at the phone. Let's get it out. The box has a notch as well. You get a transparent case in the box. Keep it aside. So this is the Realme U1. Okay, let's go ahead, see if there's power left in this device. Power it on. Did power on. It's the charger and the cable. I'm going to keep the box aside. So you get a micro USB cable with it, and the charger, well, this is rated at 5 volts 2 amps, so 10 watt charger is what you get in the box. Keep everything aside. Let's take a look at the phone. As you can see, this has a teardrop notch or water drop notch, whatever you wish to call it. It is a 6.3-inch display with full HD resolution and an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The phone also has got Corning Gorilla Glass on top, which should keep it secure. You also get a pre-applied screen protector on it already, and well, let's set it up and see what it is powered by. You can see it has a fingerprint scanner at the back, a dual camera setup, a single LED flash, power buttons on the right, volume rockers are on the left. I'm going to skip everything. Let's go to the UI. As you can see, this 5 suggests that it is running ColorOS 5.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. In terms of processor, it has a MediaTek Helio P70 processor. Before we deep dive into the software, let's take a look at the cameras, and I will tell you the specifications. So this is a dual camera setup consisting of a 13 megapixel primary lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. At the front, the U1, as you all know, it's a selfie focused smartphone, so you get a 25 megapixel camera with an f2.0 aperture. In terms of battery capacity, it has a 3500 mAh battery. You get a 10 watt charger in the box, like I've said before, and a micro USB port. You have a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom, and the top is bare. You don't have anything else. Let's go ahead, pop the SIM tray open and see what setup do you get in the box. As you can see, this has a dual nano SIM setup and a dedicated micro SD card slot, so you can expand storage further without sacrificing dual SIM functionality. As you guys can see, this is running Android 8.1 Oreo. The variant that we have here has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Realme is also going to have another variant with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. So that was our unboxing and your first look at the Realme U1. What do you guys think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.